Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Cart. Well, today we are going to do something a little bit special. We are driving down Cades Cove, and what we're going to do is we're going to spend some time driving down Parson Branch Road, which I'm pretty excited about. This road just opened back up this year. I haven't got a chance to run down it, and I'm pretty excited. It's been closed for about 6 years. Apparently it had some invasive species of bug or beetle, and what it would do is it would eat some of the native trees and make them unsafe to kind of be around. So what the Forest Service had to do was, so they spent about $150,000, went up and cleared the road so that you could go up it. So we're going to take it, we're going to talk about it, and so we are in the 2002 Sequoia. It is a Gen 1. We have got, it's the SR5 model. So we've got the Discover ATs, original rims, but we've got the Cooper Discover ATs, and we're going to kick this bad boy into four-wheel drive here in just a second. It's a little late, but we're going to have some fun tonight. Gonna do some off-road. So we got her in the four-wheel drive. I'll put my seatbelt on. We'll get going up the road. Going very slowly up this hill. The Sequoias. Oh, it's got nothing for it. Sequoia's just creeping right along. Digging right in. Beautiful. Got the full drive on, OD off. Oh. 20-year-old truck doing great. Making it right up the hill.
Hey. So badass.
All right, so we made it through. Got a little bit of mud on her. Nothing major at all. So no body damage, no underneath damage. It's a really great little ride. Had a flipping blast. I mean, car did great. What a great backdrop.